This example introduces us to independent events. An independent event is an event that has no influence or bearing on the outcomes of successive events. So for example, flipping a coin is an independent event. No matter how many times you flip a coin, the outcome of one flip has no influence or effect on the outcome of another flip. So when events are independent, then the probability of successive events occurring is similar to that of the fundamental counting principle. We simply multiply the probabilities. So for this example, it says, part of your midterm exam includes 2 multiple choice questions. Each question has 5 possible answers. You have no idea what the answers are, so you decide to guess on both questions. What is the probability you will get both questions correct? So we can write this as the probability of getting the first question correct and the second question correct. So then this is equal to the probability of getting the first question correct times the probability of getting the second question correct. Similar to the fundamental counting principle, if there's so many ways of one thing to occur and there's so many ways for another thing to occur, how many ways can they occur together? We multiply. Except we're not counting, we're just saying, so there's so many probabilities for this to occur and there's so much probability for this to occur. What's the probability they occur together? We multiply. So the probability to get the first one correct, well, each question has 5 possible answers. So you have a 1 in 5 probability of getting the first one correct. And then you have a 1 in 5 probability of getting the second one correct. So then what's the probability you get them both correct? We multiply. 1 in 5 and 1 in 5, well, that's 1 out of 25. And 1 out of 25, we know that as 4%. So then what we can write for independent events is we can write this as the probability of event A occurring and event B occurring is equal to the probability of A occurring times the probability of B occurring. And that is the multiplication rule for independent events.